The forecast with KOIN 6 Chief Meteorologist Bruce Sussman.
Well, you got a busy forecast to talk about. Of course, tonight it is hot if you're in the metro area, not so hot if you're in the Central Valley. You're cooling off, but even at 7 o'clock tonight in Portland, I think we'll be right around 89 degrees. Some breezy weather may kick in for a while mid-evening. That'll cool us to 81 by 9 and 74 at 11. A lot of those, high clouds streaming through, maybe a few sprinkles, and a slight chance of a thunderstorm, and I think that chance goes up overnight. More on that in a minute. Now, your forecast for Wednesday, some patchy morning clouds. Otherwise, it's sunshine all day and cooler tomorrow, less humid, too. 72 at lunchtime and 84 to finish the day. So that's a pretty good-looking forecast. All right, here's what's going on tonight on Live Doppler. We've got scattered showers around, most of them on the west side, but a few of them dragging across the Salem area. And a pretty good cell off the coast of Lincoln City right now that's moving away from shore. It is not creating any thunder or lightning, but we do have thunderstorms going between the Dalles and Arlington, so that stretch of I-84, one of those cells is about to go right over the highway, so keep that in mind. And we go to far eastern Oregon as well, between Baker and John Day. We've got some thunderstorms going, a nice line of them there. Very interesting day today, right? You could feel the humidity, 92 degrees, the high in Portland, lots of 90s east side as well. And here's the way the sky looks right now. I mean, the clouds have been different than what we typically see, and that's linked to the kind of moisture that's moving in. It's from a disturbance to our south, and we've been seeing these clouds march in all day with some occasional clearing. What's interesting is we haven't really seen a lot of action west of the Cascades. Why is that? Well, even as this warm and humid air moves in, we still need something to trigger it, something to turn this humid air into a thunderstorm. And I think we might have that move through tonight. There's at least the chance of that. There's an area of low pressure, a little swirl here, a little disturbance in the atmosphere that's going to traipse across Oregon. And this disturbance may be just what we need to help kick off some thunderstorms. And according to our rain and cloud forecast, there is that chance. Now, the chance of a thunderstorm does increase during the overnight hours. How long does it last? I think between 4 to 6 a.m. tomorrow, the threat of storms moves out of our area and well north into central Washington. So here's our rain and cloud forecast tonight at 11:30. Maybe it's really quiet. Here's 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. Our rain forecast tries to bring a batch of thunderstorms right over Portland. Now, the location may not be exact, but it gives us the idea that we have the potential for some storms overnight, our best potential, actually. And then by tomorrow morning's commute, most of the moisture has moved north. Now, what you're seeing along the coast, some morning drizzle. Otherwise, it's a quiet day tomorrow with mostly sunny skies once we get through the morning clouds. We'll continue to see 80s in the I-5 corridor, but a lot of places that'll be a cool down from today. 80s and 90s in sun east of the mountains, 80s through the gorge, and up on Mount Hood, a gorgeous day, 74 in sun. We start the morning in Portland at 61. We end up at 84. Pockets of morning clouds. Otherwise, it is a sunny and cooler day, but it's a one-day cool down. On Thursday, where warming trend starts again, and then we're hitting 90 on Friday, which is the start of a hot weekend ahead. We're 90 on Saturday, 86 on Sunday, and then we start to get a little more comfortable as we get into next week. So the times we really want to watch is, I'd say, late this evening through the early morning hours. You know, sometimes we get those early morning rumbles of thunder. This is one of those nights, and we'll keep an eye on it.
It was definitely extremely muggy
You could feel that.
Yeah.
But we have the moisture to work with. We just need the trigger.
I kind of like the different look in the sky.
Yeah, it's kind of refreshing, isn't it?
Yes. All right.